Okay, so today I'm going to be showing the things that we use for making kashayam at our home. So this is the jaggery and pepper and clove, and this is the dry ginger. Okay, and this is the amrutabali leaves I was talking about. My mom has actually torn it into 2 to 3 pieces. This is about 4 leaves, which no, it's 5 leaves actually. So what I'm going to do now is, first I'm going to have these beaten up well in a roll like this, because we don't want the pepper to get into a fine powder. We want it to be crushed very what to say, kacha pacha, not too deep fine powder. Yeah, let me just start that. So if you see that I have not made it into a powder, it's still small particles like this. So just beat them this way, so pepper would be fine. Okay, so I have beaten up this dry ginger. It becomes like this, like a powder. So all this is going to go to the kashayam. See, this dry ginger is more efficient. Okay, so beaten up this dry ginger, it's become like this. This dry ginger is actually more effective than the other raw ginger that we use, especially when people have cough. This works miracle. I'm telling it out of my experience. When I've had cough in the past, I've used this and it had really reduced. So yeah, so this is ready. So now all of this is going to go to the kashayam. So I have just taken a big bowl of water, and this is going to be serving 5 members twice a day. And I have added everything that I've shown you: pepper, cloves, and the amrutabali leaves, and the dry ginger, and the rest I'll show you. Tulsi is missing. I didn't have tulsi today, so I didn't add them. So except this jaggery, which I will be adding later while it comes to a boil. Yeah. Okay, so this has come to a boil. So while it was boiling, I have added jaggery, and so it can boil for another 5-10 minutes, and then we are done. And it can be served hot, or you can keep it for a while. It will stay hot at least for another 2 hours. So just while drinking, some people prefer having 2 drops of lemon juice, so it tastes good. And lemon is also antioxidant, so it's good. So yeah, this is about kashayam, guys. Have a good one. So it's finally ready. So that is. None, listen.